Alright, Jezwa cooks my voice. Probably sounds like shit, but just want to show you what I have to put up with all day. Are these dumbass cats. I have like these really dumb, not even standoffs, they're not even really fighting, they're just wow. Oh hey, whoa. Problem is my cat's tiny. Voodoo's little, so it's fine, but the fucking Maine Coon runs at you. That's the old one. Old cat too. Whoop. What you guys doing? No, don't touch me, Moog. Please don't start fighting up here. Uh-oh, the butt wiggle. Wow. They're circling like vultures because Barbara was supposed to feed them, but Barbara got in the shower, so. Hey, this is our apartment. BG Dubs. Rock band drum set. Yeah, this is where we spend most of our time. My bedroom's back there, but I'm far too lazy to get up and go show you. Kitchen. Barbara's an artist, so we have a lot of paintings and stuff. Cat tower. But yeah, I just want to show you dumb cats. Dumb cats forever.